Born on June 10, 1956 in Hagerstown, Maryland, Elizabeth Baseler's life is one shaped by curiosity, compassion, and a lifelong dedication to science. Raised in a family that valued education and service, Ms. Baseler was deeply influenced by her parents. Her father, a biology teacher and coach, and her mother, a surgical nurse. From an early age, she was taught to ask questions, work hard, and always lead with kindness. Ms. Baseler's passion for biology led her to pursue a bachelor's degree in biology from McDaniel College in 1978, followed by a Master of Science in Administration and Management from Hood College in 1984. Armed with knowledge and determination, she began her career as a laboratory technician in pancreatic cancer research, a humble starting point that would launch an extraordinary 47-year journey in clinical science. Her early career took an important turn when she began managing a National Cancer Institute satellite clinic, a role she held for over a decade. During this time, a new and mysterious disease began to emerge, HIV/AIDS. What began as uncertainty soon became a defining moment in her career. Collaborating with leading researchers, Ms. Baseler stepped into the evolving field of infectious diseases, expanding her expertise beyond cancer research. In the early 2000s, Ms. Baseler rose into leadership, eventually becoming Directorate Head of Clinical Monitoring at the Frederick National Laboratory for Cancer Research. In this role, she oversaw global clinical trials, ensuring regulatory compliance and operational excellence. Her work took her to more than 30 countries, where she helped establish clinical trial infrastructures and collaborated with international researchers and health ministries. Ms. Baseler's contributions span some of the most critical health challenges of our time: HIV/AIDS, malaria, Ebola, Zika, and COVID-19. She co-authored multiple influential studies published in leading medical journals, contributing to advancements in treatment and patient care worldwide. Among her many accomplishments, one stands above the rest. Between 2014 and 2016, Ms. Baseler worked on the ground in West Africa during the Ebola outbreak. There, she helped set up clinical trials under urgent and challenging conditions, working closely with local governments to combat the spread of the virus. It was a moment that defined her career, where science, courage, and humanity came together in the face of crisis. Her work earned her numerous accolades, including Director's Awards from the National Institutes of Health and recognition from the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Yet for Ms. Baseler, success was never about titles, it was about people. The patients, families, scientists, and communities she served remained her greatest source of inspiration. Beyond her professional life, Ms. Baseler treasures her family. Married to Dr. Michael Baseler, she is the proud mother of a large blended family and grandmother to 8 grandchildren. She credits their love and support, as well as the guidance of mentors, for shaping her path. Even in retirement, Ms. Baseler continues to make an impact. As a senior clinical project manager and volunteer mentor, she dedicates her time to guiding the next generation of leaders, particularly women entering the field. She also supports global humanitarian efforts and remains deeply connected to the scientific community. Ms. Baseler's story is one of resilience, adaptability, and purpose. From a small-town upbringing to the global stage of clinical research, she followed every open door, and in doing so, helped change countless lives. Her message to others is simple yet powerful: seek knowledge, build connections, and never be afraid to explore the unknown.